Hi there, I'm Matt Hayson. Welcome back to the 2012 Property Market Update. I'm joined by Andrew Liddell. I wanted to recap and just look at the December market because I think it's worthwhile talking about. What we saw locally was double the volume of property sell in December that we'd seen in the previous month of November, and I think that really highlighted that there was a lot of buyers and sellers in the market that really wanted to make a decision, and if the right offer was there, a lot of sellers, they took it. And I think that December or the Christmas period was a real trigger point for people to make a decision. And the good thing is I think that's really moved forward into January, and we're seeing incredible buyer inquiry across all price ranges. Let's talk about what we're seeing in January.
Yeah, so far early in the piece we've seen really big inquiries. We've seen 40 to 50 groups through most of our open homes across all price sectors. And I think buyers are still very much in research mode at the moment. There's not a lot of commitment out there just yet. And I think that's a combination of buyers possibly still holding back and waiting. Possible interest rate cut could certainly spur things on, and also a little bit more stock out there so the buyers have that choice.
And what are we advising sellers in the current market to have a really good selling experience?
What we're seeing from a buyer's point of view is that buyers are still seeking value, and there is still some caution out there. So what we're trying to convey to our sellers is that if we have the right steps in place, which is pricing, presentation and the right promotion of the property, we can ensure a pretty safe journey and also a really good experience throughout the selling process. We're really pleased to be seeing that a lot of sellers are coming to us for advice, and that's really sort of trusted, honest advice that we convey to all of our clients. And it's not necessarily sellers that are wanting to act now, it's a lot of passive sellers that are wanting to just get that really sort of honest feedback on where their property sits. And I guess that sort of resonated last year when we sold over 40% of the market share, and which sort of is the equivalent of double the amount of property of our nearest competitor. So I think our honest and our trusted counsel is really sort of
sought after.
Yeah, definitely.
No, that's great advice, Andrew, and it's really nice from a company perspective to speak to a lot of these sellers that are seeking our advice and really looking and going back to those agents which have a proven track record in a changing environment. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks very much. For everybody out there that might be looking at making a buying or selling decision, we'd love to hear from you this year. We've got some fantastic homes coming up in the first quarter of the year, which no doubt will be exciting for buyers in the market and will be a really interesting test. Certainly some of the premium end ones that we have coming online as well. So if you are out there looking to make a buying or selling decision in the first quarter of this year, or even moving down the track and you just need some advice, we'd absolutely love to hear from you. My name's Matt Hayson. Andrew Liddell, thanks very much. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Thank you.